Yes, the waiting is finally over. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is officially here, and it's already becoming one of the most talked about compact cameras of the year. When the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 launched, it quickly became a favorite among vloggers because it managed to combine a large sensor, excellent stabilization, and a rotating screen in a surprisingly tiny body. It was the kind of camera that creators could carry everywhere without thinking twice, while introducing practical upgrades that aim to make everyday content creation easier. From hardware improvements to smarter controls and new accessories, the Pocket 4 looks like DJI's attempt to refine an already strong formula rather than reinvent it completely. So what exactly is new, and why are creators paying so much attention to this release? Let's take a closer look. Let's discuss what you all are here for. The official announcement of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 marks an important moment for the Pocket lineup. After months of speculation and leaked images circulating online, DJI finally confirmed the new model this March, ending the long trail of rumors that had kept the creator community guessing. March 26, 2026 marks the official debut in China, with the global rollout of the DJI Osmo Pocket. 4 expected to follow soon after in April 2026. By officially launching the Pocket 4 now, DJI is signaling that the Pocket gimbal camera category is far from finished. In fact, it may just be getting started again. At first glance, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 might look familiar, but once you dig deeper, several meaningful upgrades begin to stand out. DJI didn't dramatically change the form factor, but the new features focus heavily on making the camera more practical for real-world content creation. One of the most noticeable additions is the new detachable LED light accessory. Instead of permanently integrating a light into the camera body, DJI designed a small removable module that attaches to the device when needed. This approach keeps the camera compact while still giving creators a quick lighting solution for low-light situations. For vloggers filming indoors, at night, or in dim environments, having a small adjustable light built into the system can make a real difference. Because it's detachable, users can simply remove it when they want to keep the camera as lightweight and minimal as possible. Another interesting improvement is the addition of dedicated zoom controls. Previous Pocket cameras relied more on touchscreen controls, but the Pocket 4 introduces a physical zoom button that allows users to quickly switch between different zoom levels. This may sound like a small change, but physical buttons often make filming much smoother when you're recording on the go. Under the hood, the camera continues to rely on DJI's well-known 3-axis mechanical gimbal. Stabilization has always been the defining feature of the Pocket lineup, and DJI has continued refining it over the years. The Pocket 4 maintains that reputation by delivering extremely smooth footage, even while walking or moving quickly. The camera also retains the rotating touchscreen design introduced with the previous generation. That screen makes it easy to switch between horizontal and vertical shooting modes instantly. For creators who publish across multiple platforms, this flexibility is incredibly useful. Another expected improvement comes in the form of battery capacity. The new model reportedly features a larger battery compared to its predecessor, which should translate into longer recording times. For vloggers and travel creators who spend hours filming outside, extended battery life can be just as valuable as any image quality upgrade. DJI also continues to expand its ecosystem of accessories. The Pocket 4 works with a variety of add-ons designed for creators, including microphones, grips, lenses, and mounting options. This modular approach allows users to customize the camera depending on the type of content they produce. Taken together, these upgrades show that DJI focused on refining the user experience. Instead of chasing flashy marketing features, the company seems to have concentrated on small improvements that make everyday filming easier. Whenever a new camera arrives, the first question creators ask is simple: is it actually better than the previous one? In this case, the comparison between the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 and the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is particularly interesting. The Pocket 3 set a high standard when it launched. Its large 1-inch sensor significantly improved image quality compared to earlier Pocket cameras, and the rotating touchscreen made it one of the most user-friendly vlogging cameras on the market. The Pocket 4 builds on that foundation rather than replacing it entirely. The core concept remains the same: a tiny camera with a powerful stabilization system and strong video capabilities. However, the new model introduces several refinements designed to make shooting more convenient. The addition of physical zoom controls alone could be a big advantage for many users. When filming yourself or capturing quick moments, being able to change zoom levels with a button instead of tapping the screen can feel much faster and more intuitive. The detachable lighting accessory also adds a layer of versatility that the previous model didn't have. While many creators already carry small lights for night shooting, integrating that capability into the Pocket ecosystem simplifies the workflow. Battery improvements could also be significant for heavy users. Longer recording times mean fewer interruptions during long shoots, which is especially important for travel vloggers and documentary-style creators. That said, the Pocket 3 remains an extremely capable camera even today. Many creators will likely continue using it for years. The Pocket 4 doesn't necessarily make the older model obsolete, it simply offers a more refined experience. Pricing always plays a major role in the success of any camera, and the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 enters a market that has become more competitive than ever. DJI's Pocket cameras have traditionally been positioned as premium compact tools rather than budget gadgets. The new model continues that trend, with a price that reflects its advanced stabilization system, sensor technology, and ecosystem of accessories. However, the camera isn't launching in isolation. Rival companies are beginning to pay close attention to the Pocket gimbal category. One of the most discussed competitors right now is the upcoming Insta360 Luna, which is rumored to introduce its own unique approach to compact stabilized cameras. Competition could actually benefit creators. As more companies enter this space, innovation tends to accelerate. Features like dual lens systems, higher frame rates, and new shooting modes may become more common in future devices. Still, DJI currently holds a strong advantage in this category. The company has years of experience with stabilization technology, and its software ecosystem remains one of the most polished in the industry. The integration between hardware, mobile apps, and accessories is something competitors still need time to match. The launch of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 shows that the Pocket camera concept still has plenty of life left in it. In an era where smartphones are becoming increasingly powerful, DJI continues to prove that a dedicated camera can still offer unique advantages. The Pocket 4 doesn't try to reinvent the category. Instead, it focuses on refining the formula that already made the series successful. Small but meaningful upgrades like physical controls, modular lighting, and improved battery performance help make the camera more practical for everyday use. And if the early excitement surrounding the launch is any indication, the newest member of the Pocket family might soon become a familiar sight in the hands of creators around the world. Let's hope for the best. Thanks for watching.